Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. In that first one, there is air till a height of about dash dash kilometer from the earth. There is air till a height of about 50 kilometers from the earth. Then second fill in the blank. The air at a greater height from the earth is rarer than air near the earth. There, the air at a greater height from the earth is rarer than the air near the earth. Third fill in the blank is, if all the air was divided into 5 parts, the oxygen in the air would equal 1/5 part. Again listen, if all the air was divided into 5 parts, the oxygen in the air would equals to 1/5 part. Fourth fill in the blank is, there is dash dash even in an empty container. There is air even in an empty container. Fifth fill in the blank, the layers of air nearer the earth bears more weight than the upper layer. The layers of air near the earth bears more weight than the upper layer. Now student, question number 2. Question number 2 is, answer the following questions in one sentence. In that, first one is, what is an atmosphere? What is an atmosphere? The covering of air all around the earth is called the atmosphere. Again listen, the covering of air all around the earth is called as atmosphere. Second one is, name of the constituent of air that helps in burning. The answer is, oxygen is the constituent of air that helps in burning. Third number question is, which gas is present in soda water? Answer is, carbon dioxide means CO2 is present in soda water. Then question number 3 is, think and tell. In that, first one is, name something of everyday use in which air is filled under the pressure. Means you have to write down the name of things in everyday use in that air is filled under the pressure. In the exam means answer is cycle tube, tires of a car, air cushions and air pillows. Second one is, what is seen mixing with the air when wood or coal burns? Means what is seen when mixing with the air when wood or coal are burns? Answer is, when wood or coal burns, it gives out smoke and it is mixed with the air. Smoke may contain poisonous gases and particles. Means when we burn wood or coal, a smoke comes out, and that is seen to our eyes, and also that smoke may contains poisonous gases and particles also. Then third one question is, what get mixed with the air when water boils? Water vapors gets mixed in the air when water boils. Water vapor get mixed in the air when water boils. Before question number 4 is, before drawing a medicine into a syringe, why is plunger first pressed into the bottom of the barrel? Answer is, in order to fill the medicine inside the syringe is pushed out. In order to fill the medicine inside, the syringe is pushed out. Then gradually the plunger is pulled up, because there is no air in the barrel now. Now the medicine rises inside the syringe. Again listen all the answer carefully. In order to fill the medicine inside, the syringe is pushed out. Then gradually the plunger is pulled up. And because there is no air in the barrel, and now the medicine rises inside the syringe. You understood, student? Now you have to write down all these exercises as it is in your notebook and recite all the questions at the home. Okay, students? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.